Oh, excuse me.
Hmm?
Okay, so now you're going to...
Oh, I thought you were trying to come
No,
past me.
change out the door hinge.
Yeah, probably more than one.
Well, are you going to take the door off first?
No.
Oh, you're just doing one at a time?
Yeah.
Ah. So these are actually recycled hinges from another house that we hung on to. But they're the right color.
And hopefully the right size.
We'll find out. What do you need, hammer?
That chisel behind you.
Okay. Ow, be nice to yourself. You got the pin upward?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so.
Well, sometimes we do things backwards. That's why I'm asking.
But I think that sounded encouraging.
It did. Just grabbed.
We got 2 of the 6 screws are tight.
That one didn't sound very
That
like
one,
it.
there was like no wood in that hole. And I should point out that we have considered replacing all the doors, and that may still happen.
Right.
But as Christy mentioned, we have these hinges.
Well, we have a lot of projects going on that we'd like to finish.
That are 0 cost to us right now.
Yes, and the doors are kind of spendy and kind of not always available right now. So we'll just do this for right now, and it still looks 100% better.
And yeah, I'm doing it this way. 1 hinge at a time so that you can film. We don't have to
Take the door off.
fight the weight of the door.
Right, and this way pretty much gets them in the right spot.
And if we decided to replace the doors, the difference between a pre-hung and just a slab is pretty low. And given that these, you can see See, this
Yeah,
crap here is part of why the door doesn't
Well, so
open
we'd
and close
want,
properly.
we would want to, you don't have to mess around with the hinges and everything. It's just already set for you.
Yeah. Whoops.
Okay. Glad my toes weren't over there.
So one of those on the top is holding.
One.
Yep.
Okay.
Final inspection.
Yeah. Oh, that looks so much better. All right, there's our new hinges. Thanks for watching.